not bad.
Hold up, let me reset. Living in the matrix, use the sequence. This feeling I'm feeling is brand new. This the moment I break through.
Welcome back to a vision experiment with me, Ty, talking everything spatial computing and applications, accessories and more. And in this video, we're going to be talking about Meta. Obviously on this channel, we talk a lot about Apple Vision Pro and we talk a lot about the accessories and applications that that product has. But there is another product that you may have seen that I do like to use, and this is the product in question. This is the Meta Ray-Ban glasses. Now, with Meta Connect almost upon us for 2025, it wouldn't be right to do something about spatial computing without mentioning Meta. They've been a big part of this world in terms of immersive hardware and trying to develop new and interesting products for us to have in this world of future tech, like a stepping stone. Initially, we had the Facebook stories, then we went to Meta Ray-Bans, and we now have Oakley Metas as well. They're ever evolving. And we've got rumor that there is going to be a brand spanking new pair of tech glasses, smart glasses as you will, that are going to be coming from Meta at Meta Connect 2025 in the Meta Ray-Ban displays, which are going to be the first AR glasses from Meta to consumer release. I'm super excited for that news. I know that this is early and I'm sure we'll get more news about how it all works very soon. And I'll be one of the first people to keep you guys updated on all the news on that front from Meta Connect. Now, this video wasn't really about Meta Ray-Ban glasses because they're quite old news. They've been out for quite some time. I remember picking up my first pair of them in 2023 and we're now in 2025. So why would I be making a video about Meta Ray-Bans unless it was about how you could upgrade and personalize them yourself? I just wanted to pause the video to say that you guys are doing an amazing job of helping me grow, and I really do appreciate it massively. Everyone who likes the videos that I do, it's greatly appreciated, and it gives me a really good insight into whether you are enjoying the content that I'm providing. And also, the more you that subscribe out there, the more I've got a chance to be able to make new and amazing content. That's super cool. I love doing YouTube videos and making amazing content and educating as much as I can on what is up and coming, what is new in Vision Pro, spatial computing, and more. And with that, let's crack on with the rest of the video. So let me take these off really quickly to say that these aren't actually my first pair. I actually had the original gloss black Wayfarers of the Meta Ray-Bans. They do them in a couple of different sizes and they also do them in a couple of different styles. Got the Skylar and the Headliner. These are other designs from Meta that have the camera and AI and overall music technology. Now, if you don't know anything about Meta Ray-Ban glasses, I'm going to kind of give you a quick overview. So they are made by Ray-Ban, which is a very well-known company for making sunglasses. You got the ability to take photographs with these glasses because of the inbuilt camera, also video, and you can also have music playing through the arms of these glasses. The sound quality on them is incredible, and for something that doesn't go in your ear, I definitely recommend them if you're looking for something that's not so intrusive. You've also got Meta AI built into these as well, which is really, really handy for audible notifications of things or asking questions or hands-free activation of the photo and video functions of these particular glasses. With 5 microphones built into them for spatial capture, these are brilliant for taking calls on as well. But one of the things that many people talk about these is that they tend to buy them at the base level. These start at around £299 in the UK, probably similar in dollars in the US before tax. And they are technically just a basic pair of glasses, whether you buy ones that have just sunglass lenses or whether you buy ones with transition or polarizing, you're not getting prescription for that kind of price. When you do move up to transition lenses, you're going to be adding extra cost. These ones did come with the official Ray-Ban transition lenses in them, and they cost £379. Now that is a big leap for just a change of lenses. You then have polarized lenses which do bump up the price, but not as much as the transitions. If you want to pick up a pair of these particular glasses with your own prescription, you're going to be paying almost double, £279 to be exact, as far as I've been finding out, if you wanted to have additional prescription lenses, and you're going to have to wait for them to be delivered. That's something that I wasn't willing to wait for, because I really want to get my hands on them, as we all do as tech lovers. We don't really wait weeks for lenses that are just going to obviously help with correcting your vision, but you don't get to play with the toy. And this is where I came across a company called VR Wave. VR Wave are really well known in the world of XR for creating custom lenses that are for prescription for Meta Quest devices such as the Meta Quest 3 behind me. And they also do prescription lenses and coloured lenses for Meta Ray-Bans. And they're self-install. So straight away I was like, these are the solution to my problem. And the one thing that's amazing about them is they do different colours of transition lenses that are prescription or none if you don't need a prescription, for as little as £145. That's a massive saving on what Meta directly are expecting you to pay for prescription lenses. If you don't necessarily need transitions, they become even cheaper. I'm not going to really kind of reel off all of the prices of the different lens options, but what I do want to do is show you some imagery from the website showing you some different lenses available. So I reached out to the guys at VR Wave to find out whether they would be interested in me doing a review and a physical installation on how you put their lenses into your already owned Meta Ray-Ban glasses, and they greatly obliged. And here's the package that arrived in the post. This came in from VR Wave. They sent me 2 forms of prescription lenses that I'm super excited to show you guys. I've had an opportunity in the last few weeks to try these out, and these were sent to me for free. So to be transparent and open, they sent me these out for free. So you guys get to see how easy it is to install these lenses, and you can just swap them out whenever you want, whether you want to go for prescription sunglasses, prescription transitions, or just basic lenses of any colour that you want to have to customise your own Meta Ray-Ban glasses. So let's get into the box. So as we open up the box, we're greeted with some packing. We can get rid of that. We don't need that. And inside the box here, we have 2 of the VR Wave lens cases, and they come really cutely packed in these little cases, which are really nice and protective so that they don't get scratched or damaged. And we've got 2 in there, as you can see. Got another one right there, which is awesome. And then inside here we've got a card here with my prescription. That's really good as well. VR Wave giving you basically a free card with your prescription details, so that you can keep this with you at all times if you ever need to order some more, or just keep them in a safe place so that you can quickly glance at them. And yeah, that's pretty amazing. And also on the card is a installation QR code, so you'll be able to go on there and find out how to install the lenses, which is what we're going to be doing in a sec. Also, we've got a nice protective cleaning cloth with branded VR Wave on there, and the store, www.vr-wave.store. And then last but not least, we have some information. So Just a quick thank you, and then there is a potential $10 rebate if you are to review their products on Facebook, and that's pretty cool. And a instruction QR code, a big one to scan, so that you know how to go about putting the lenses into your glasses without damaging them. So let's just put the box to one side, and the prescription card will keep the cleaning cloth out because I think that might be useful. Let's put that over there for now, and we'll put that there, and let's have a look at these. So I picked the grey transitions, which are what I had originally when I bought my Meta Ray-Bans. I did install some old Meta Ray-Ban lenses, just the sunglasses ones, into them, just because I don't want to damage those transition lenses. I've already removed them once in preparation to put these in, and I want to look after the official transitions that I spent quite a bit of money on. So without kind of like talking too much, let's get into the installation of how this works. And it's so easy. I feel like even a toddler could do it, but I'm definitely not going to be trying that. So let's bring in the glasses, and we've got the Meta Ray-Bans in their case. Let's just take them out. What I've done to make sure that we aren't going to have any noises or anything is I've switched them off. And as you can see here, these are just your normal sunglass lenses. And if we put them down, and we are going to install the prescription sunglass lenses this time, and I picked the green ones because I kind of wanted it to be a bit old school Ray-Bans, so it's like a dark kind of green tint. So let's see if we can find those ones out of these. They also sent me transition lenses as well for my prescription, and they're just awesome. So let's have a look what we got there. So those are the transitions, so we'll leave them to one side. I've been saving these for you guys, so let's take these out. These are the sunglass lenses with prescription, and take them out of the packet. And you can see here on the packet, it shows you which lens is what. So with the letter R on there, which is pretty good. And we've got 3, 2, 1 in terms of the position of how to install these once you remove them, pushing them from the back side out to the front. Let's get that out. So we've got the right one, and then we've got the left one to take out the packaging. So one is this top corner. If we push that forwards gently, you'll feel it just start to wiggle, a little push, and out they are. That's the first lens out. I'm going to do the same. So just gently push. And they really just pop out. They're so easy to remove. It takes no time at all to remove them. So it's super easy. We're going to turn these over, and we're going to be installing them. We're going to get this left lens. We're going to start with the number 1. As you can see here, we've got number 1, and we're going to go with number 1, push that right up into the top corner of these frames. Then we're going to push in number 2. So then that's in as well. So they're both in. So we've gone from 1 to 2 to 3, and they've just fit in really nice and snugly. We're then going to go to the right one, and that's it. Really, really, really simple and easy to fit the frames in. They are both in now, in place. And all we've got left to do is to remove the plastic from them. So we've now got fully prescription sunglasses. These are the green colour. Really, really nice and simple to install. Yes, you've got to be a little bit forceful in some ways, but they are fairly robust. They will definitely handle it, and actually have saved you so much money in the process. Honestly, I can't recommend VR Wave enough. They are great with what they do. I think that for the price and how quick they ship, it was great. These are the new ones in my prescription. I can see so much better than I could with the original, just normal sunglass lenses in there as well. I'm going to do a quick lens swap for the prescription versions of the transitions, just so you can see them. These are the prescription transition lenses. I'll show you how they look in the sun, in their glorious beauty. VR Wave have done a fantastic job of creating these custom installation lenses. I absolutely love them. I've been using these ones for quite some time since I received them. I really wanted to put them through their paces. Now, even though I did say that VR Wave did send me these out for free, I don't generally tend to review anything that I don't genuinely like or would use. So for being open and honest, VR Wave haven't sponsored this video. All they've done is provided the lenses. And one other thing they have provided for you guys is a 5% discount if you want to purchase lenses for yourself. So if you want to head over to their website and type in the code in capitals AVE5, you'll get 5% off your next purchase. Now, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was very interesting to talk more about the upcoming potential that Meta have, and Meta Ray-Ban and Meta Oakley all together will be showing us as we head into Meta Connect. And VR Wave are likely to be providing more and more accessories for Meta products down the line. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. It means a lot. And if you want to know when new videos drop, hit that bell next to the subscribe button and it will notify you as soon as there's new content from me. And with that, I'm going to catch you for another video really soon.